In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or insert a video in Figma by embedding it into your prototype using Anima. This process is incredibly useful for designers who want to create more dynamic and engaging presentations of their work. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate videos into your Figma prototypes, enhancing the storytelling aspect of your design. First, let's start by navigating to Figma, which is a powerful collaborative design tool used by designers worldwide. It's a fantastic platform for creating and sharing your digital designs. Once you're on the Figma website, you'll want to click on the Login button. If you don't already have an account, you can easily sign up for one. Logging in takes you to your home screen, where you'll see all your recent projects and any files you've been collaborating on. Now that you're logged in, head to your home page. Here you're going to select the file you wish to work on. If you're just starting out, you might need to create a new draft or open an existing design that you'd like to enhance with video content. Click on your chosen file to open it within Figma. Once your file is open, look for the Action menu. This is where you'll find various options to modify your design and add new elements. By clicking on Action, you'll reveal a search bar that allows you to identify and integrate different plugins or extra features into your current project. Next, type in Anima into the search bar. Anima is an excellent plugin that brings additional capabilities to Figma, particularly when it comes to adding interactive content like videos. The plugin makes it significantly easier to embed multimedia elements directly into your prototypes. When you've found the Anima plugin, ensure it's installed and active within your Figma environment. If this is your first time using it, you might need to follow any prompts to set it up properly, which only takes a minute or two. Anima allows you to create a more immersive experience by enabling video embedding directly within Figma without needing to export your designs to other platforms first. Once Anima is ready to go, you just need to follow the plugin's instructions for embedding your chosen video. This typically involves having a video link ready, such as from a service like YouTube or Vimeo, which Anima can then integrate into your design layout. With all these steps completed, you've successfully learned how to add or insert videos into your Figma prototypes. This will not only enliven your presentations, but also provide clients and stakeholders with a richer, more interactive view of your design vision. Keep practicing and soon you'll be able to seamlessly integrate video content into any of your design projects.